Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Now I'm good and I am happy. I want to retell the story of yesterday. Yesterday, I had a moment of doubt and a moment of confusion and a moment of craving. And I did a video. Some friends had some echoing comments, and it was just so strong that I want to share with you about it. And it actually eventually end up a wonderful day. Here is the story of turning something bad into a jumping pad, into a starting point of getting back to life. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Here I am sitting inside my car. Suddenly there is a rush of this feeling that I feel I need to share with you. And for some reason that word just come to my mind and I cannot overcome it. I need to eat some sumac. I need to eat some. So I was searching what is sumac, and it pop up fattoush salad, Lebanese salad, Greek salad, all these wonderful things. So now here I am in front of supermarket. Then I went to a supermarket and there are these beautiful flowers. They are smiling at me. They are smiling with me, smiling for me. I was not yet smiling with them. But it just warms my heart and ignites my heart. And seeing something beautiful, seeing something abundant, seeing something rich, just good life, it really reignites my fun for life. And there is a returning service. Yeah, it's kind of, I was kind of shocked because I was always living under a rock and I didn't know that you return. It becomes so easy. I had an order, it's some broken piece I was returning. And you can do it automatically without any human interaction. So if you are a shy, timid person, you can live your life without any interaction with the world, which is liberating for everyone of different ability. If you want to talk to people, you can also talk to the customer service people, and they will help you to return and to do this and that. And yeah, if you are a timid person, you can watch the aisles of the supermarket. So many beautiful things. And if you are kind of wanting to chat people, you can always talk with people, asking, oh, where is the honey, where is the salt, where is the mustard seed or something. Yeah, so I came out and this guy really ignites me. He was riding his scooter with his friend in motorcycle, and he had a guitar, he had a costume, and it's just so fun. And I had my hair cut, and it's a very good cutting, and I'm very happy. Yeah, so because I was thinking of sumac, this controllable desire to eat some sumac. So I was searching what is sumac, how good it is, how to use it. There are a lot of video, but not really a video that's specifically using sumac to make tea, to make a chicken, to make salad. So I went to a Mediterranean market, and a lot of things are so beautiful. It's just, yeah, life is real. And I came back home, and I made, this is the celery. I was thinking, I just think about that crunchy Greek salad, Mediterranean salad. And so this one is cucumber, capsicum, and celery, and olive, and feta cheese with sumac. I am a little bit overdone with with the sumac. It becomes so so dark color. But anyway, that's it. Yeah, it's a losing day and end up kind of fun, right? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Go go bye bye. Isn't it silly? Okay. Thank you very, very much. I'm sorry for your time. 5 minutes of your life. I am sorry for 5 minutes of your life. I will stop here. Bye bye. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Go bye bye.